Aktiviste van verskeie organisasies teen renosterstropery het Maandag 2 ure lank op die sypaadjie voor Kaapstad Toerisme in die middestad protes aangeteken teen die misdryf. Talle aktiviste het op die sypaadjie in kamma bloed gelê om die karkasse van gestroopte renosters na te maak. Sommige verbygangers het geskrik en die quasi-karkasse verstom aangegap voordat hulle verder gestap het. Ander was nuuskierig en wou weet waaroor die demonstrasie gaan.
Saving Private Rhinos was born when 3 of our rhino at the Aquila Private Game Reserve were poached on the 20th of August last year. And what we're doing here today is to show some support, and we're trying to highlight the plight of the rhino in South Africa at the moment. A lot of us have all met each other on social media, Facebooks and Twitters, and we've all come out to support Mandy Du Plessis over here, who's lying on the floor. And just to also the reason why we're outside Cape Town Tourism is we're trying to highlight the fact that we advertise our country as a Big 5 destination. If we carry on like this in 10 years' time, it's going to be a Big 4 destination. And it's important to all of us, not just the people that love rhino, it's important to the country to make sure that we actually take a stand and make a difference and we actually stop the poaching of rhinos.